it's your girl Felicity, and today we'll be making Floam Bead slime. And the ingredients you'll need to make it is glue, contact lens solution, and shaving cream, and Model Magic, but that's optional. You don't always have to use that. And Floam beads. So let's get started. So first you'll need some glue. Just pour it in my bowl. And that's all you need. Then you'll need some shaving cream. Just mix that in. Mix those two ingredients in. Really good. And that's basically it. Then you need your solution. And mix the solution in slowly, so because you don't want to overly activate your slime. It doesn't really stretch that good as a perfectly activated slime. So just gonna add the solution slowly, piece by piece. Just mixing it in well. I guess that's basically it. Now we're just gonna have to work on the stickiness. Ugh. And a tip and trick on how to make it unsticky easily is you'll just need to add just shaving foam to make it easily unsticky, because this is like kind of dry. So if you just add in like shaving cream, it'll make it unsticky fast. Just like that. Just crazy. See? It's like getting unsticky as we go, which I think I'm seeing that. Okay, so now I'm going to add the Model Magic in. You're just gonna have to knead this because you don't want to like put hard Model Magic in your slime. Then it's gonna like crumble up and it's not gonna like mix in well with your slime. So, and if you want it even softer, you can just add lotion to it, but I think kneading it is more well because of the warmth of your hands. So now, it's just gonna do this, put it in. Okay, just mixing that in. As you can see, the yellow is mixing in to the slime. So just mix that in, mix it in, mix that in, and now we're just gonna add in our Floam beads. Floam beads in! Whoop, whoop, whoop. So I'm just gonna do that. So now, this is just the final product. So there you go, guys. This is how you make Floam Bead slime. Now, big thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you haven't seen my glitter and fragrance fluffy slime, I'll put that link down below in the description box. Now, stay awesome and be happy.